Hi, this is part 4 to our Spring CRUD application using Spring Boot. Um, in this video, we will add student. So let's create new file HTML. So let's name it add student. Then copy this format from index, then to add student. Then inside the body, we need to add um, for example, let's add its heading, for example 3, then add student. Okay, um, because we don't have yet a container, so we need to add container here. Division, then class, then container, then inside the container we need to add, okay, inside the container we need to add form here, form, then let's add action here, action, then next is method, means we need to enter or add data to a server. Let's assume that when we run this project, we are client, so we need to, our method here is post, not get, because we are adding data. Then in our form we need to add division, then class, then row, okay. Then inside the row we have um, form group, so need to add division, then class, form group, then column, mid, then 8, this one, then okay, inside the division, then we need to add label here. Okay, then let's add label, then class, then form group, form label, oh no, maybe column, form label, then okay, so let's add here label, then inside the label we need to add first name, then we need to add input, then type, this is text, then class, form control, then we need to add placeholder. For example, let's say this is a first name, then okay, then let's copy this one, this form, then let's change this mid, middle name. Then this one is middle name. Then paste. Then let's change it last name. Then last name. So the next is we need to add, this is row. Then let's add division for the button. And class, let's say call 6, called mid 6, ano. Then inside that I need to add button. Then type, then submit to form, this one. Then need to add class, the design or the color of the button. Then button, let's put primary, this is blue. Then let's add then button. Then let's put save here. Then let's proceed to our controller. Okay, controller. Then below we need to add add student. So let's put a link to our student. So add get mapping, then link. Then this is our HTML file, add student HTML. So let's call add student. Then method public string add student. So I need to add object here, student. Then student. Then return to student list. Oh no, add student because this is a link. Add student. Then let's import the student, this one. The next is we need to add post mapping. So add post mapping. Then our action here is event add. Then let's add method here, public string. Then add student, same method but different parameter. So student, this is object. Then student, then the model. Okay, model. Then return to, okay, then let's redirect. So redirect then to redirect to student list. So student list. Then we need to add model here, our repository. So let's call student repository because we add student. Then no, student repository, then save, because we add, then our entity which is student. Okay, then this is our object, then the model. Then let's proceed to add a student. Okay, okay, so here we need to add last we need to add field, th field. Okay, field, then data, then first name, the okay, the okay, the fields to our object, then th, then field equal, then asterisk, then middle name, then last one is the last name. So th field, then asterisk, then last name. Okay, then next is the action. So we need to link to add. So th action at, then no, then add our method here, which is add. Okay, so add, then let's see, let's run this project. Then Chrome, then localhost, is it okay? It started localhost. The next is student. So we don't have yet icon, our button to add a student. So let's add. So here to our student list. So it's a okay, table. So this one. So we need to add p. This is a link. Okay, class. Okay, then p, then link. So we need to a, then href, then let's call this one to our add student, then where is it, add student, then oh no, this is not method, this is add, then this is student list. So add, okay, add student, then class, to make it button, so not only link, so we need to change it to button. Then the color of this is green, so success, or primary blue or green, because our thumbnail is green, so success. Then okay, Then let's add student. Okay, so let's back. Let's then proceed to student. Then we have student here, student button, then click. So we have error. Let's go back. So we need to add here card. The card is, let's add margin here, margin to y axis. For example, let's add 2. Then our margin, let's add table card, division, then class, card. Then after the table, we need to add division. Then in our add, let's see what is error to our add student. So maybe we have lack of this one, th. Maybe this is th. And then let's add object, because we have object to the post. Okay, object, then equal, then dollar sign, no, th object, then dollar sign. The name of our object is student. Then let's try localhost, then student, then add student. Okay, so we have add student form. So let's go back to student list. So student list, we have we don't have margin, or we don't have x axis to this button. So this button, we need to add student list. We need to add access to this margin to this one. Let's put margin my, then margin x access 2. Let's try to see. Okay, then let's put margin to this this another card, this student table. So this one, let's put a margin, we have margin for y. Then let's margin x axis, and margin x, for example 2. Then control S. Then okay, we have margin. Then margin to x. So let's put a margin y axis, then 2. Then let's try. Okay, we have a margin. Then let's try to add data. Click this student button. So we have a problem here. We have margin. We need to add margin here to our student. Then next is, let's put margin y axis 4. Then let's try. Okay, we have margin. Then let's try color to this one. Let's say a blue. or green success. Okay, then is this one class, then text, success. Then we need to add button, icon button to this one. Um, Save. So let's add buttons to this save. Okay, let's add um, this one. I this is design. Then I then let's call class. Then let's call the uh, font awesome classes here. Um, let's say if a then floppy disk. Okay, this one. Let's try. So we have floppy disk. So let's delete this one. Disable. Let's go back to header navigation bar. This one. Um, where is it? Disable. This one. Okay. Let's say let's comment this one. This tags. Oh, okay. Comment then. Okay. So let's add icon to the settings. This one, settings. So let's add I then class if a if a then gears. Okay. Then let's proceed to our objective. Let's add Aldrin, then Aldrin. Okay, let's click this one, save. So we have successfully saved the record. So see you next video, guys. Let's continue in the last part, which is edit and delete. Okay, so but before that, we need to add color to this header. So let's um, header student list. So header, this one. Let's add color, text, class. Okay, then okay, header, then table, then table primary. Okay, let's change. Okay, see you next video, guys, to the last part to our tutorial, which is edit and delete. Bye bye.